Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Our Holy Prophet. Our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born at Makkah. His father Abdullah had died before he was born. His uncle Abu Talib brought him up. When the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, grew up, he started trade. He soon became famous for his fair dealing and honesty. People gave him the title of Sadiq and Amin. The Holy Prophet was very fond of praying and meditation. Very often he used to go to the cave of Mount Hira at the distance of 6 kilometers from Mecca. God chose the Prophet to teach them the laws of a good life. At that time, the people of Mecca were idol worshippers. When the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, forbade them to worship the stone gods and told them to worship Allah, who is all powerful and merciful, they turned against him and began to tease him. But the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, continues his preaching. At last, he migrated to Medina, where he laid the foundation of an Islamic society and state. He, peace be upon him, passed away in the year 632 AD in Medina.